Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sangeet Kumar. So in today's video, we're going to discuss about how to apply for your health insurance for your 1G visa renewal. So in this video, I'm going to explain you step-by-step process, how you can apply. And the video is very short. It doesn't take you a lot of time. It's a very short process. So watch the video till end. Don't skip it. So let's get into the video. So guys, once you go to this website, you can start filling in your details. So just fill in the first one, that's India. My country of origin is in India, so I give it India. And next, Ireland is common for everybody, just give Ireland. Then that's done. Just click on your college, which college you're pursuing your masters or bachelor's in. Once that's done, you can see there's a option called 1G visa. Just click on it, and after that, just uh, select the date from when the coverage should start. So I've given 4th of Feb and ending from 4th of 3rd of Feb 2026. Once that detail is done, and you have to go to the next session, that is your full name. So give your name according to your passport. Once you type in your name, the first name and the last name, the next session is your email address. Just type in your email address. That is where you get your PDF. Once the payment is done, you'll get your PDF from. So confirm the mail once again, so make sure every detail is correct. So after that, the next session is your date of birth. So give your date of birth correctly, like whatever is given on your passport. So just give the date of birth. After that, so next session is gender. So just click on the gender you want. So after, once all is done, just check the details if everything is right. So once the detail is correct, just click on next. So once that's done, I'll select the 250 euro one. I think that's much better, not the 300 one. So once that's all done, you have to fill in all the details. So it'll ask your name, phone number, email address, so all that, and address. Just fill in your address, then your postal code and city. Once all the details is entered, just cross check once again, make sure everything is right so that you don't make any mistakes. So check it once again from the start, check every detail. So all of that is filled and good. So next, you can proceed with buy now. So once you click on buy now, check in, so read all the instructions, what all the coverage is covered, everything. Just check for once, and see all the details is right. So all of that is run. Just go down and check all the details, then press buy now, enter your card details. Once the card detail is done, like try to give your Irish card, so it's more easier. Once that's done, I have given my Irish card, so all the details is filled and it goes to my bank approval. Once I give approved, then you get the final page saying that the payment is successful. So once that done, I think immediately you'll get your PDF in your mail. So that's it. This is all the processes. It's very smooth and very easy to do it. So once the payment is successful, you'll get your PDF in maybe 5 or 2 minutes. So once you receive that, you can also apply for your stamp 1G visa. So this is what you required. And even for my stamp 2, I've taken student and protect. So I think this is better option. And also, this is not a paid promotion. Student and protect didn't pay me, so this is what I took. So maybe it'll be very useful for you guys who's very new to all of this. It'll be very helpful. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that I'll post more informative videos like this. And also, I'll be posting travel vlogs, and I'll be traveling across Ireland and other parts of Europe as well. So I'll try to make more vlogs and keep you guys more interesting in my channel. So please subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you so much.